Inniu támuid anseo ag Cuan Helen marcuid de féile na gluigeaní gorma seo an darna lá bhí seolú inné lanid Phobail ach máidín dairimid bachar máidín artar 6 agus thomaimid an seo le bheith ag snámh I measc an phobal ionach seo atá an seo máidín hen. Bhí sé seochaí fuair a támuid Harbheith sásta. So today we are here at Phobail na gluigeaní gorma and we're at Helen's Bay and we were just swimming. So we got up really early this morning at around 6 or so and we drive out here to be with all these fantastic people in the really cold water.
We all came as a group and it's my first time getting in the water and I have to say, my personal opinion, it's been absolute amazing. It's not a great feeling just being in there everyone and to be honest I would do it again because it's been great.
I came to Helen's Bay today just to try and let loose a wee bit. Had a tight week and it was the best thing ever. Off early at our house from 6 a.m. and I feel as if it's 2 o'clock in the day and I had a cold night today, just ready for the day.